I actually had an accident on February 1st and I had whiplash and lower back pain because of the accident. I was at a red light and a man hit me going full speed. He never stopped. And I came to the muscle repair shop because I remembered Butch telling me how he does massage and stretching combined. And the physical therapy just wasn't working like I thought it would work. It was helping a little bit. And I figured, let me call Butch up and go and see him. And I came here and I love it. I've received massages that are blended with stretching. And it's something I've never had before. I've had many massages, but I've never had a massage where Butch is stretching you at the same time and teaching you how to bend your body and move your arms, shoulder, neck, back, whatever it is. He teaches you why and how, and he talks about the muscles and what the muscle is supposed to do and how it reacts. So it's educational at the same time. The muscle repair shop was able to take me to a point where I felt much better and could move much better. I had an accident, and with the accident I'm going to physical therapy, but it just was not working. The treatment has been wonderful. It has helped me realize the importance of stretching and massage, and he's taught me about my muscles. I cannot believe how much I feel better because of coming here. The muscle repair shop has made a huge difference in my recovery from my accident.